This is where the main stairs to the deck used to be, and I was just taking out the timber decking and realized that the support beneath the stringers, they're rotted pretty badly. So we pulled the whole thing out and we'll have to replace them. Welcome back to Jeff and Chi Do. In this video, the main focus is on rebuilding the stairs to the deck and also putting on new hinges onto the hatch that goes to the crawl space of the house. So on the bottom left-hand corner, that is a section of what the stairs will look like. I've basically copied the same design as it was there, except I'll be using a deeper timber for the stringers, keeping everything else the same. I've come up with this. I'm going to have to cut 3 pieces of stringers from the full length of timber here, and then so the blue is where I cut off and remove them. And then I've got to make these little triangle cutouts to form the support to the stringers. And I'm going to need 12 pieces of those. And they can be cut out from a timber block like that. Today we're going to reassemble the new stairs onto the deck. We will be attaching 3 stringers, which I've built, and we'll just put them here where the original ones go, but instead of using nails, we're going to be using brackets. And then to finish it off, we'll be putting on the planks on top of the 3 stringers, just like that. And we'll call it a day. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. and we will see you in the next video.